Hello everyone guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today this video is gonna be informative because I prepared for you a new website builder service which is called Squarespace. So actually I've received many comments from you to create a new video episode about this website builder service. So I decided to give you the general information about this website builder service, what it is, how you can work there, what about the editor. So I really do hope that it's gonna be very useful for you. Don't forget to put the like button and let's get down to our work. So let's talk about Squarespace. So this is a website builder, and I would say that this is a database of dozens of thematic templates with SEO optimization options, analytics, and design. So dozens of thematic site templates with SEO optimization, analytics, mobile application, and even individual design for you. So by purchasing a site based on Squarespace, users get a high quality product and eliminate the need for updates and plugins forever. But I would say you have a cool options because you have a trial period which is for free and is for 14 days. After you have, of course, to get a subscriptions. But key features of Squarespace is a custom domain built-in mobile sites, wide range of templates, style editor, of course, powerful social media integrations, SEO analytics, free fonts, image manager, so you even can work with Google Docs and other stuff. So let's get the another information about the templates, I would say. So we have product templates and resources. Let's start about the templates because Squarespace has over 60 templates, and these templates are really gorgeous, modern, fashionable, up to date with a beautiful design. So whatever, you can create a website for yourself, or even if you just need to make a project, for example, for your customers, you can create a blog, you can create a local business, for example, or about the restaurant. So let's start today about the restaurant. Let it be what templates we've got, and I would say that you can successfully replace images, change fonts, colors, share with your social media on your website, integrate with third parties such as Adobe Creative Suite and Google Drive and others. So and Squarespace has templates to support all types of sites. So that is I tried to show you and tell you. So we got many different categories of these sites, from restaurant to photography and other things. So each one comes with tons of customization tools and extra features built in, so that everything you need is right here at your fingertips. And let's get down to our business. So this is template, what we got here, and pasta, I adore it. So let's check the preview how it looks like. And by the way, I can tell you that here this is really nice and I adore it. I love it because here we have 3 versions. So the first is for the desktop, the second one is for the tablet, and the third one is for the mobile phone. Let's start from the desktop. So that is how it looks like. Of course, this is a not full demo. We can check in full demo, how it looks like. Okay, the second one is for the tablet, which is also very nice. We have many sections, and the last one is for mobile devices. Okay, so let's start to work with this template. Directly click into this button, and what we got. Okay, so talking about Squarespace editor, I can say this is user-friendly. You can work very easy right here, and I would say this is much more straightforward because it's not drag and drop editor, but you can simply clicking directly into each element, you can edit it. So you can add text, images, and how your site appears on screen is just how it will look Facebook once it's published. You can understand that. So this is much simpler and easier way of creating a website, as you know exactly what changes you are making as you make them. The best part, I would say, is that you don't need to know a single line of code. You don't need to have some tech experience skills. You can use code if you want to. You can learn something about it. But one of Squarespace's greatest strengths is that anyone can use it to create a professional website with, even worry about their or your personal coding skills. So on the left side of our desktop, we can check that we got menu sections from the pages, design, commerce, marketing, channel, and others. So clicking directly to the pages, we can add some pages, add some menu sections, but I prefer do this directly right here, working with with the sections. But talking about some settings, I would say, yep, we can add some links, we can add SEO general tools, but talking about SEO right here in Squarespace, I would say that is also not very difficult, and first of all, special attention should be paid to the availability of an SEO guide for beginners, because I'm also a beginner, from the creator of the platform. So there are integration with the social networks, such as Facebook, Twitter, and others. So it is possible to post products on Pinterest or on even Instagram. So continuous revision of old and connection of new marketing tools, and this is really nice. So when it comes to SEO, and we're talking about it, everything is fine right here, because we can easily customize. We have the ability to customize our URLs, connecting a sitemap. So using 301 redirects, editing meta tags to images, editing tags on meta tags on pages. So Squarespace is actually previously Squarespace was CMS system, so content management system, that offered a developer friendly website, blogging platform and hosting right now new Squarespace platform is gonna be, we're talking about beautiful, gorgeous templates. We're talking about actually, this platform is called Squarespace Commerce, and it offers beautiful templates. That is what I tell you about many times, an easy way to launch a store and some useful features. So in this in-depth marketplace overview, I try to show you what actually Squarespace is, how you can edit templates, and the conclusion will be on your side, because it depends only on you, on your preferences. So right now we're gonna work with this template directly, and we can check that we got many sections. Yep. So the first one is always a header. So I would say that clicking directly to this header, we can add logos. We can, but right now we are working only on the desktop version. So this is a global settings, but for example, talking about the elements, we can play with these elements. So we can add bottom or delete this bottom. So we can add some links, or just to add it, social links. So that is how, but I will save the bottom if you don't mind, because I like it much more than without the bottom. Okay, so that is how you can work with this basically header. The next, what we got right here, the section, this is like a quote, we can delete it or we can save it. So talking about directly with the text, we can change the size, we can change the heading, we can make it a paragraph. Yep. So it may look like you want. You just need to select the section, how you can see, how you like it. You can make it bold, so it looks like a little bit like in WordPress. Yep. So talking about not the fonts, so we can do it right here or just like here, depending on the location. So Okay, let's save it. So it may be large, it may be in this side. Okay, for me it looks better, but maybe no, it will be better. What about the background? So we can add the image, we can upload the video, or we can just simply select the colors that we prefer. And in my case, black color looks very nice. So let's save all the settings. The next one is the section just only with the widget, with the photography, and I guess that is really nice because you know the picture is very tasty. So like here we got the next section, for example. Also we can play with the text, we can make it bold or just italic. It depends how you would like to work with this. So you just play with the fonts. Okay, so basically that is how you can work with this section, or if you, for example, prefer delete the section, you just simply click into this sign and trash sign as a garbage bin, and it will delete it successfully. Footer, what about the footer? They say we can change the color, we can add before the footer some settings. So what about this one? Also we can change design, we can make it in the center, we can change the style of this, so it may be square, it may be solid, it may be rounded, but you don't see it. Oh, okay, save. So you see it, that is how I've changed all the settings. So the next, what I would love to tell you, talking about, you know, about the Squarespace, it of course has many pros, and of course it has cool option for you. It has the application, a mobile application where you can build, continue, create your personal website. You can edit some settings, and if you, for example, lost your internet connection, don't be so nervous about it because it won't be published. So everything is well done right here, and you can work even from your application, from your mobile phone. Of course, talking about the pros, I can say about the stunning templates, which are optimized for desktop, tablets, and mobile devices. So the design is adaptive, you know, and of course the ability to restore deleted posts and pages for up to 30 days, you know. And of course, what I can add. So you should remember that you have a trial period, which is free period for 14 days, but Squarespace plans start at $12 per month. So this website builder offers many templates, and I would say this is 60 templates that easily will be adapted to three kinds of design: mobile devices, I mean desktop, tablets, and others. So when it's customer support, live chat, you have service is very strong. So Squarespace doesn't currently offer phone support. You need to know about it. And of course, Squarespace offers built-in tools that supports bloggers, small business owners, I would say, and creatives. So don't hesitate, just try how it works, and I guess that you will be impressed with this website builder service. So as for me, most of my time recently, I've made many websites with the help of this website builder service for my personal projects and for my customers, and I can tell you that you should try it. It's worth it. So this is the end of this tutorial reviewing video. I'm waiting for your comments, what you think about Squarespace. Do you know actually what it is and how you tested it, how you created some websites, for example, in Wix with the help of Wix for lead pages, and of course with the help of Squarespace, so we can compare them, and maybe the next video will be about a comparison of maybe two templates I will take and I will create for you this video episode. So I wish you good luck with vibes, and see ya in another video episode. Don't forget to put the like button, and of course all the useful information will be in the description. Bye.